Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am thankful that you are here with me today. And today I am showing you a journal that I made for Ooh La La Vintage Treasures. These are her kit, and it is the Dainty Darlings kit and the Dainty Darlings Armoires kit. And it's a beautiful collection. I've also used bits and pieces from her Precious Bits Kit Club. That club does have a waiting list, so if you would like to receive a gorgeous box of goodies from Doreen, then get yourself on that list. And it's just a gorgeous box. That's what this is from. This is from this. I've used everything that I could from that box. This was from, look at that dangle, isn't that cute? This polka dotted ribbon. Oh, I wish I had more of this. This is gorgeous. Doesn't that make a cute ruffle? So here is the cover. Now this, I can't remember what kit it's from, but it's from one of Doreen's kits. And I'll link her Etsy down below, also her Facebook group, and her YouTube, so you can go check her out. We got some packing things. I don't know what it is. It's in between the bags that you get from Amazon. I took that out of the bag, this one, that I used from the Precious Bits. So this was in there. And I took it out. There's a pocket here. There's nothing in there because this would be a great pocket to add just so much stuff to. So I removed the inners from in there. So it is 2 signatures. Isn't this gorgeous? So when we come in, we have a beautiful belly band. I bought this from eBay a while back. This whole roll for $12. And it's still sitting on my desk. I need to put it away. So we have this. Isn't it beautiful? I just added this applique to it. And we have a beautiful dictionary page in there. Back in there. Gorgeous. And then a little label that was in the kit. I made a ruffle out of some of the leftover fabric from the cover. But look at this kit. Isn't that gorgeous? Stunning. Love that. Love that. And then we just have a card here to play with. Made a ruffle for there. Gorgeous. And look at this lace. I put this rhinestone down this lace. The rhinestone was mine already. Isn't that gorgeous? And this paper, oh, it feels lovely. And the digitals, they just speak for themselves. Look at that. So this was in the Precious Bit kit. This pocket from a bag. And this, look at how gorgeous this is. I backed it with some I want to say engraved paper, but you know what I mean. I'm drawing a complete blank. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? I can't believe I'm drawing a blank on that. Oh, and we have a pocket here for you. We got a little pocket with a tag there. We got a couple tags in here. Isn't that pretty? And we have this envelope here, this glassine envelope. You got a pocket in the back and then the pocket inside. And we have a couple of things. Maybe I'll put one in the back. Isn't that cute, that little one with the bow? And we have a tea bag here. with a couple of tags, and I totally forgot about that tag. And then we have a tag that's paper clipped here. So pretty, using her postcards. I cut up her postcards to make these tags. So pretty. And then when we come to the center, we have some beadwork here. This is a cat. Isn't that pretty? Rose gold. And these rondelles are rose gold. I just love those. They turned out really cute. Beautiful, beautiful papers. And then we have a little bag here that I made this into a mini pocket. You can stick a few things in there, I'm sure. Isn't this gorgeous? This is a cute little booklet of papers to play with. Look at that. There's another ruffle, and now we're to our second signature. We got a lace pocket here. I think this was from a like a placemat or something like that. That's what it seems like it is from. Another ruffle here. Isn't this adorable? And I put a little book page in there. But how that's coffee dyed, it's adorable. And that just fits in there really nicely. And then here we go with that. The rhinestones didn't come in the kit, those were mine, but everything else that you see here came in the Precious Bit kit, unless I point out that it was already in my stash. I think these ruffles were in my stash. I don't think they were in the kit. Oh no, we got some stickage. One more. Oh no. That one ripped a little bit. But there's some stuff to play with. And a tag for you to decorate and make your own. That does not want to go in there. And here's the center of the second signature. We have a butterfly in this one. And a tag here that's paper clipped. Isn't that pretty? We have, I just kept this. This is from 2019. A prescription. Isn't that cool? I didn't want to cover any of that. And then you can lift up here. So you have writing there. You can lift up, have more writing, or put a picture in there. It's hard to cover up the pages from her kit. And then we have this that you can use as a pocket or write on. And then we have a belly band here. So there is my project using the Little Bits kit. And I just received another kit from her. So we will be working with that. And this journal is available if you're interested in it. Just shoot me an email or message me on Facebook or Instagram. Now, Instagram, I have a problem. It doesn't show me my messages all the time. I have been having such a problem with that. I'm trying to fix this bow. So Facebook Messenger or email would probably be better. if you want a quick response. There we go. Well, thanks guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye y'all.